101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to our third section, and we still discuss about the miracle of giving, and we have newcomer here. Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, so good evening, everyone. My name is Reinhard Tekla, and I'm from here, Makassar.
Okay, so what is your current activity?
I'm a student.
Okay, student of Okay, college student.
College student.
Okay, okay. So we are talking about the miracle of giving. So what do you think about that topic?
Well, it's quite interesting because I have heard all of your statement, and it really amazed me. So yeah, interesting.
Okay, and we have discussed about like, have you ever experienced like you give something to someone and you get something that more than what you have given?
Well, talking about that in general, I think I've give a lot of something to my friends, but I didn't really get anything, but I also didn't really expect them to give me any, because I feel obligated as a human being to help each other.
Okay.
And also, if you're talking about, am I okay with it? Well, I'm actually because these last few weeks I didn't get any problem. I haven't got any problem, so I didn't really like need another hand by my friends because I didn't get any problem.
Oh, okay. So do you agree with the statement like life is all about giving?
No, because if we, as she said before, not all people likes to be given something. So the people of the world must be balanced. Some of them loves to give, and some of them loves to be given something.
Oh, okay, okay. And I'll move to Kabrian. Okay, Kabrian. Have you ever want to stop give something to other or help others just because you get betrayed by, for example, your friends?
No.
No. What?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I just remind myself for not being how to say always give someone something, like my knowledge, like my my help and my experience. Even I get betrayed, I just keep giving.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And have you ever in that situation?
Huh?
I mean, have you ever in that situation, like your friends betrayed you, but you still help them?
Yeah.
Help your friend?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, okay. Really?
Yes. Yeah. One of my friend betrayed me.
So what is the response then?
Huh?
I mean, what is your friend's response after that?
Yeah, the case is I want to treat my friend in some of the how to say, some of the restaurant, and the first she said yes.
Okay.
She won, but
okay.
But
she?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, she won.
Okay.
But in the end, they she how to say, she said
I cannot come.
she cannot come because her works.
Oh, okay. So you feel betrayed.
Yes.
On that moment. Okay. Thank you, Brian. Okay, I'll move to Amira. So Amira, same question. Have you ever want to stop giving something to others just because you feel that you get betrayed?
If we talking about the betrayed or get betrayed, I don't really care about that one. I mean, if I able to do something, if I able to give someone something that I have, then why not? I mean, if you betrayed me, then that's your problem. I don't really mind that. And if we still have the same thing that we wanted, like I get some benefit from you, and so do you. So I still keep the thing on track. So I don't really care if you betrayed me, but I want to have my thing from you. So so does you. So do you. Like that. So
Okay.
I don't really care.
And
about that one.
have you ever in that moment?
I don't really remember about that one. I mean, my friends from now, they're being loyal to me. So
Oh.
yeah,
Okay.
lucky me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Amira. Okay. Kak Eddie. So, what type of person are you? Are you like a person that like gives something to others, or you are type of person that like to be given?
That's a nice question. I'm not going to be like I don't want to pretend to be like sound good or something, sound a good person or something. But I like to be. I mean, I like giving, not to be given, and I like it because I remember that everything that I have right now is not mine, and so you know, so I like giving because it's not mine. It's not mine, and why do I have to keep it with me? I mean, why don't I share it to the world so the world can be given and the world can feel what I can feel, and I always have that dream. Like I really want people to really people who don't feel what I feel good. I want them to feel that way, and so I like giving, and yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Kadi. Okay, Tekla. So, same question as Amira. Have you ever want to stop giving something to others just because you get betrayed?
I have actually never been felt betrayed.
Never?
So, if you're talking about betrayed just because they don't give us back something, I didn't count that as a betray.
Oh, okay. Let's say that you give something to your friends, and your friends like give a bad response to you. Like when you need a help, your friend don't want to help you. Don't you think that that's kind of a trait thing? I mean, you categorize that person as your best friend.
Never. I never count that as my best friend. And besides, I have a lot of friends, so I can ask.
Oh, okay. I got the point. And okay. So, what type of person are you? I mean, are you kind of person that like to giving something, or you are type of person that like to be given?
Definitely both.
Both.
I would like.
So 50-50. Okay. Okay. Can you elaborate more about that?
Well, yeah. I really love to give someone something that I have, especially my knowledge. A lot of my close friends doesn't really know English, so I would really love to help them. And as a return, most of them really give me a good feedback. They even sometimes send me like money that I don't even ask for.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes they give me food that I don't even ask for as well. So yeah.
So you kind of both of those.
Yeah, I really love to give something, and I'm also really happy if someone gives me something.
Oh,
I really
okay.
appreciate their
Gift or
gift.
Okay. Thank you very much. And what about you, Brian? What type of person are you?
I like to I like to the type of give someone.
Oh, giving. Okay.
Uh,
Why?
Because For me, giving someone like knowledge, gift or something else is make me happy for that.
Oh,
I just feel happy.
okay. Anymore.
And I don't yeah, even I don't ask them to give me the return. Yeah, I just accept it, but I just don't expect that.
Okay.
I can call it unexpected.
Okay. Thank you very much, Brian. Okay, what about you, Amira? What type of person are you?
I'll go with both options.
Okay, both.
But I'm more into giving someone something. What I have, I mean, I don't really love getting gift. But yeah, except if you insist, if you want to give me something, then I will happily accept it, and then I will keep it. But I rarely use it. Someone always give me some gift that I have to use, like clothes or like something that I could use for food, like container or something. Ooh, not container. Something that I don't have any idea what the name, but yeah, something to cover your food or something. Yeah, like that. Utensil.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. But I do love cooking actually. So if I cook some foods, some meals, like a big amount of foods, I will give it to my friends, and then they will give me something as return. Maybe they will give me some fresh food to cook or something that I could use to cook again.
Okay.
So they will get the meals again, and I will cook the food, the meals from them, like the fresh thing that they gave to me.
So why do you say that you are kind of both?
Yeah, I'm both
I mean,
type of person.
can you elaborate the given one? Why do you say that you are type of person that like to be given as well?
More into.
Oh, more into.
No. I'm more into give someone, but I don't really refuse if someone give me something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, why not? It's free. I love free.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, Kaidi. So we already talked about a lot of things related to the miracle of giving. So
Yes.
the question is, why we categorize that giving as the miracle?
Oh wow. That's a hard question. Okay, so here's the thing. I really don't agree with people who don't believe that life is all about giving, because this is the reality. Like,
Okay.
it's hard, but the reality says that we are we are all actually not so thankful person, because as I mentioned before, like everything that we have right now, even in the past, in the present, and in the future, it's not us, it's not ours, and that's what I believe. That's what I always think, that people forget that they are all given. I mean, they are not thankful. Like, even it's not just about like God gives us like breath, air, and something like that. I mean, we are so less thankful. Like, that's why people will always say that, oh, you're not gonna. I mean, maybe there is a people. There are a couple of people who don't like to be given, but they forget that everything that they have are given, even their parents,
okay, I get
their
the point.
family. I mean, that's what happens right now. Like, people really forget that that's not yours. Like, you everything that you have right now, you buy clothes, you buy things like that, you are given. You get food, you're given. Like, because food is, I mean, the process of getting food is a lot. Like, you gotta get to the market, you gotta, and it's still given. Like, this is the reality, and that's what makes me so woken up like, wow, the world really doesn't see, even if it's like a little simple thing that in your life, and you will forget that it's given. And that's why I said that life is all about giving, and I meant to say it because, you know, that's what I explained before. Like, even when you got here, you're given, like, you get motorcycles, you get transportation, and you're given a ride. You're given something that a technology, handphone, and something. College, you're given knowledge, not only knowledge but time and no and you know, everything. Like, you know, this is the miracle of giving. Like, but the miracle can't be seen by anyone. I mean, it can always be seen as a miracle. I mean, the giving. That's why I said before that, like, we are so ungrateful. Like, that's why some people will always say that, oh, I don't like to be given. I like to give. I like to only give and only give. And but they forgot that everything is given. And so, yeah, and that's it.
Okay.
And that's my point.
Given is not as simple as just like getting gift by our
Especially,
friends.
yeah,
Okay.
Exactly. I mean, it's a lot. Even when I talk about this, like those examples that I mentioned before, it wasn't enough to explain to you that life is all about giving. And thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Kabudi. Okay, what about you, Karian?
What?
Like we already talked a lot about miracle of giving. So, what, in your perspective, why we categorize the giving as miracle?
Yeah. As Mr. Eddie said before, the life is all about
Giving.
Given.
Giving.
Yeah, giving.
Okay.
It's all about, yeah. We have arrived now in this place because of we have given like application of application like Gojek, Gokar, or any else, and we have to be thankful for that. And I think that's the categorize of miracle of life.
Oh, miracle of life. So, do you have any wise words or new vocabularies or conclusion that you can share to the smart listener?
I just want to give some conclusion for this topic. So the conclusion is, don't forget to give someone like your knowledge, your anything. I mean, the thing that the God give to you, and don't expect like that someone give you back.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's
okay.
all.
Thank you very much. And what about you, Tekla? What is the wise words, conclusion, or new vocabularies that you can share to the smart listener?
Well, I would just probably say that help because it is your obligation as a human being, not because you want like a refund or something, because that's stupid.
Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay. What about you, Amira? Okay. Wise words, either wise words, new vocabularies, or conclusion.
Maybe I'd say that if you gave someone something without even think about what will you get as return, then that's what we call a miracle. I mean, you don't have anything to give someone, but you're willing to do that, and then as a return, you don't really expect it, and then something just suddenly come to you, and then you just being grateful because you don't really think about yourself when you give someone like freely like that. So yeah, if you give someone something that you don't really expect to give to them, then just keep doing it. I mean, just believe it that something will come to you, like you don't really expect it, but it will make you happy. Yeah.
Okay. And what about you, Kak Eddie? Any wise words, conclusion, or?
So, the miracle of giving, the point of the miracle of giving is that always be thankful. Even if it's like a little thing, simple thing, see it. Don't underestimate it, because maybe little things can bring you big happiness, and so always be thankful. It's not just about giving. I mean, it's not just about being given. Like maybe we are thankful because we're given. No, you are thankful because you are giving. So always be thankful. Like either you're giving, either you're given, and that's the point.
Okay. So thank you very much, guys, for the nice opinion related to the topic that we discussed tonight, that is miracle of giving. And I think that's all for today's section, today's discussion. And we will back in the next Tuesday night again with the, of course, interesting topic, and with BPEC Makassar. And thank you very much, guys, for watching. And don't stop giving, and always be grateful. Okay, thank you very much, and bye-bye.